Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the icebox cover in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Use the small flathead screwdriver to release the retaining tabs to detach the icebox cover. Disconnect the heater wire connector to fully remove the old cover. To install the new icebox cover, first connect the heater wire connector. Align the top edge of the new cover, then snap the bottom of the cover into place. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.